Okay, we're going to prove that William has Tourette's, just like his brother Steven. There's Steven with his Tourette's. Okay.
How long is a bit too hard?
Answer the phone!
Answer the damn phone! Thank you. Honey, I'm home!
Are you really? Can I take a picture of you? Pose! Pose! Do a good pose!
No, do that.
Okay.
Do that, no, that.
Okay, okay, I got it. Did you just sniff your money? Did you just sniff your money? Did you just sniff your money? What?
Oh, you're OCD, right?
OCD.
Who's OCD?
You. You took your money.
Oh, shit.